Spring is here, and that means spring travel. And I know I'm going to be doing some spring traveling, and maybe some of you are too. But have you looked into your closet to make sure that your clothing looks good and feels good on you and that you have enough of it? Or maybe you're interested in an upgrade into some bamboo clothing. Now I'm going to be showing you some recent upgrades that I've added to my wardrobe, and maybe some of this clothing might inspire you. So stay tuned. Now, everything I'm going to show you in this video is current, and I'll be leaving the links in the description down below so you'll be able to find it. Now, many of the items I'm going to show you today are either made out of bamboo or bamboo blends or rayon because they're antimicrobial, you don't have to wash them all the time, and they are renewable. And if you have a wool allergy like me, they're fantastic. Also, they're a fraction of the price of merino wool. So I'll be identifying to you when I go through this wardrobe which one of these items are bamboo, because it is definitely something you want to take into consideration when you're doing a spring wardrobe. So let's start with the bottom up, and we'll start with shoes. Now, these are my favorite kicks for both spring and fall because they are very water resistant. They clean up amazingly well. These are 2 years old, and I just cleaned these with fantastic. They come out looking fine. I wear them on the plane. They're comfortable for walking, and they're reasonably priced. So you can look fashionable without spending a ton. But let's go on with socks. Now, these socks are one of the first items I'm going to point out to you that are made from bamboo, and it's made by a company called Booty. Now, I recently came across this all bamboo company, and I am in love with them. These socks are so comfortable. They go on nice and easy, and they have just enough elastic in them so they'll stretch. And here's the best part. I know this might sound kind of gross, but you don't have to wash them if you don't want to do laundry every day. But I tend to wash my socks out, so that's just me. Now, we all know about the importance of wearing compression socks, but many of us don't want to wear them. And the reason we don't want to wear them is they're not particularly comfortable. And my father is one of the worst offenders, but I'm not much better. And both of us have a genetic condition called venous insufficiency, which means that we have sometimes a problem with pumping our blood back up to our heart from our feet. And so that leads to swollen feet. But also venous insufficiency and just being on the plane can lead to DVT. And I know 2 people who got DVT, and one of them passed away from it. So it's a serious condition. Now, these socks are made by a company called Sonoran, and they are a specialty store for socks. Now, Sonoran did give me these socks to test, and they did test them with my dad and me on our last trip, because I don't ever suggest a product that I actually don't use myself. And we both thought that they were really comfortable. And my dad and I do not like compression socks. So for both of us to like compression socks is really something. But these Sonoran socks really were comfortable. And the reason I like these socks is they are bamboo, so they breathe. I don't sweat in them. But the reason that most people don't like compression socks is that they feel hot and sweaty normally because they're usually made out of materials like nylon and stuff like that. And your feet sweat in them and they're uncomfortable. And that's always been my dad's gripe about wearing compression socks. The reason I happen to like these socks is that they are bamboo, which means they are breathable and they are comfortable. Now, these socks are 10 to 15 mmH, which means that they're a light to moderate compression, which is what most healthy people need on the plane. Another reason I was attracted to these socks is because they come with gradiated compression, which means that it's all equal up and down the socks. So you don't get any of that pinching that sometimes compression socks can give you. And you can see here how easy they are to get on. And they feel cool and comfortable. And you can see clearly they're not squeezing me anywhere, so that I don't feel like I'm being overly compressed. And that's very important to me. They come in a variety of colors to go with any outfit that you're wearing. I'll be leaving the link for these Sonoran compression socks, and it's something I would seriously consider if you're traveling by plane. Okay. And I got an extra 20% off the socks, which you can find in the description down below. So next up, my personal picks of some of the clothing that I've bought this year for travel. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a fashion show for you with some of the other clothing that I have. And I'll be telling you which are bamboo and which are not. But everything that I'm showing you is available now No problems. So I have not only one, but two what I would call on the plane sets. Now this one's a short sleeve one. Obviously, this is a long sleeve one. So here I am at the airport for a night flight, and you'll notice that I'm wearing my favorite sweat wrap to keep me comfortable on the plane. And I find that this outfit is so comfortable to wear on night flights because I can sleep in it, and there I am wearing my favorite pair of kicks. Now, what I like about these outfits is that they're very wearable with other outfits, and you can mix and match because you can wear a long sleeve striped shirt like this or a short sleeve shirt like this. So I try to think about my color palettes and what color I would use, and that's the colors that I pick for these outfits. Now, both of these come in multiple colors, and I'll be leaving the links in the description down below. Now, in the spring, I love to wear dresses, and I'm going to be showing you a variety of dresses. I got this one off of Amazon, and it is bamboo viscose, and it does not wrinkle. It's really easy to pack. And the best part about this is it packs really small. Let me show you. Now, this is the size of most of my t-shirts, and this is the dress ready for packing. And I tend to roll my dresses so they don't get wrinkled. And here's me in the dress. I have two more dresses to show you. Now, this is from a company called Natural Life, and they kind of make this boho kind of looking dresses. I love their dresses, and the reason I love their dresses is they pack up nice and easy. They're just like the other dress, and they're not expensive. They're really, really reasonable. So here's me in the dress so you can get an idea of what it looks like. And by the way, I wear a size large. Now, this dress also comes from Natural Life, and it's a little more of a sophisticated dress. And you can see me here in this dress. Also, this dress was very inexpensive too. Now, you'll notice on my feet, I'm wearing those infamous Yoshi Sama shoes that you always see me pack, and you can see why I take them with me everywhere. Now, if it gets a little cool, what I like about this length dress is I can put on a pair of leggings and a little sweater top, and I am fine. They're also really easy to dress up for going out to dinner and stuff like that, so I don't have to worry about something nice to travel in. Also, just like the other dress, it packs up really small, like t-shirt size small. So that's another reason I like this dress. Now, there's a little caveat about these dresses from Natural Light. They will wrinkle a little bit. So if you're opposed to ironing on your vacation, maybe this isn't the dress for you. But I hit it 1, 2, 3 with an iron, and it's done. Or while I'm taking a shower, I put it into the shower with me, and all the wrinkles come right out of it. So for me, I don't think that this is a big deal, and I think it's so worth it for a cute little dress like this. So this is a nice little bamboo sweater top that I like. And the reason I like it is not only do I love this color, blue is my color, but because also it packs up really small. And like everything else bamboo, it's odor resistant, so that means I can get multiple wears out of it. But usually when you're wearing something on top, that's not an issue. And what I like about the top is I can tie it up either like this, and it looks great, or if I want to go with a little more sophistication, I can wear it down and it looks great. So this is a great find. So let's get into basics because everybody needs basics. And the first up, some t-shirts. Now, I do have other colors, but I'm just showing you the basic ones. Now, this is both a long and a short sleeve shirt made by Quince. And this is an Amazon basic or essential shirt that's also bamboo, and a coiffured shirt that's also bamboo. Now, I have to point out to you, while these are larges, these are both XXLs. So that tells you how much smaller these run. But these are great tops because they're antimicrobial, they won't stink, you won't have to wash them a lot, and they are easy to care for. Now, you might have noticed when I was trying on those dresses before that I was wearing these Keds. And I love these Keds. And shockingly, they are very comfortable to walk around in, and they also go nicely with dresses. And I like the ones that don't come with the lace. They're just slip-ons. So I'd highly recommend these Keds, if for no other reason, then look at how packable they are. So if you really have a dire need to squeeze in an extra pair of sneakers that are cute, these are the ones for you. So if you have any questions about the clothing that I'm showing you today, please don't forget to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, because that tells YouTube you enjoy my content, and then they'll show it to you more. Now, I have to tell you that I love Quince because the quality of their material is just second to none. They have a full year to do a return, which really shows how much they back up their stuff. And they have just the cutest outfits. So let me show you what this one looks like on, and you'll see why I like it so much. So I like to wear this because it's kind of a good intermediate outfit, because this is made out of a fabric that has kind of a brush feeling to it. It's a little bit warm. I can wear it with a short sleeve shirt underneath it, and it will keep me very warm. Or if it gets hot, I can just take it off and I am good to go. The pants are just adorable. They have these really nice pockets here. I think that this is just a great outfit. But I have this thing for blue, so I'm going to show you my next outfit from Quince. So this is a little bit more of a dressy set by Quince. Now I love this topper because it has this little thumb warmer thing here to keep you warm if it's particularly cool. It's not too heavy, but it's not too thin. And it goes really nicely with these pants. And these pants are kind of on the dressy side. So you can dress them up, dress them down, go out to dinner. You can feel good when you're wearing this. If I don't want to wear the thumb hole, I can just roll it up like this and have a cuff, and it looks really nice. It's such a versatile outfit, and I just don't see how you can go wrong. This outfit is very travel friendly. You can almost screw it into a knot and it will come out looking straight. That alone makes it worth it to me. So again, another outfit from Quince. Now this has to be my new favorite item. It's made by a company called Ripskirt, but they make other things like pants and dresses, but they're kind of for the summer. And why do I like this so much? Well, it's not my top. And by the way, ignore the wrinkles on my top because this is very real life. It has these two nice pockets here. And this is the best part. If you've eaten a little too much on your trip, it's adjustable. Totally adjustable. And you can wear it high or low for that reason. So if I wanted to lower this, I can make it look a little more formal. So here it is at a lower length, and you can buy them in 4 different lengths because I have the mini, this is the middle size, there's a tulip bottom, and there's a midi length. But I happen to like the knee length size because it is so adjustable, and I can pull it down and pull it up, and I'm comfortable in it all the time. And it never wrinkles. I mean, it never wrinkles. It is not bamboo. I don't know what kind of polyester it's made out of, but it is impervious to wrinkles. And so are all their other items. Also, it's super light. It packs up to almost nothing, which in itself is valuable to me. And the skirt comes in multiple colors and multiple patterns, so you won't be bored. So if you're looking for a new skirt to add to your wardrobe, this is it. And how cute are these pants? Now, these pants are almost 100% bamboo with a little elastic, but they are just so cute. They come with pockets, and you can dress them up or you can dress them down. And that's something I'm always looking for because I feel anything you put into your suitcase should be totally versatile. So this is what it looks like in a short sleeve shirt. And here it is dressed up in a sweater set. And you can see how nice looking it is to go out to dinner in. And so here's another versatile piece that comes in super, super small. And I have to tell you that when I roll it up, it comes in smaller than some of my t-shirts. So another great item to include in your bag. And while I'm showing you the versatility of these pants, let me show you this cute little hoodie that I got. It's made out of bamboo, has, of course, a hood, as you would expect. And it's one of those Amazon finds, and I think it's just really super adorable and obviously quite versatile because who can go wrong with a hoodie? And it's even great for the plane. It's also very packable. It is not that heavy, which is why I like it for this intermediate time of the year, because it can be worn when it's hot and it can be worn when it's cool. So this next outfit is from Old Navy, and it's a bargain because it comes from Old Navy. Now, I happen to have bought the entire set, but it comes in lots and lots of colors, and I did buy it in lots and lots of colors. Now, what I like about this outfit is it is totally wrinkle resistant. You don't have to worry. You can pack it. You can do anything you like to it, and it comes out looking just like this. Now, let me show you the leggings. It has this great pocket over here so you can put your phone and stuff into, so you're not pocketless, which is unusual in a pair of leggings. And it comes in both a full length and a 7/8 length. So if you want to wear it more around your ankles, these are the 7/8 length. And I should let you know that I'm 5'7". So that gives you kind of an idea of where the 7/8 will come up to. The jacket has a nice soft fleecy inside. I wear this jacket a lot on the plane because I can put it on and take it off, and it's really soft and comfortable. And I just feel kind of cuddled by it. And I also got the matching top. But I'll show you the outfit in other colors. For instance, you can mix and match it with this top. Now this top also has its own matching bottoms, which I also bought. Both of these tops have this thumb hole, which is supposed to not only keep your hands warm, but protect you from UVA and UVB light. So that's a good little find there. But if you think that this is the only way you can wear it, you're wrong. So as you can see here, I'm wearing the leggings with one of my infamous sweaters that you see in all my videos. And you can see why I take these items along with me, because I can mix and match them and not look so casual. And I still have my pocket here on the side, which I like. And if it gets really chilly, I can just throw the jacket back on. So now you know what I take along with me on my trips to keep my bag lean and mean. But if you don't know how to pack a lean and mean bag, check out this video over here. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.